I don't know why this information isn't on the internet, but let me be the first. MX3 wiring harness, the one furthest away, starts at the engine and your DC to DC converter. And this is your kickstand sensor. Next up is the controller. This one is your tilt sensor. Next one is your ignition and your controller. These are your horn. This goes to your battery, and that little guy right there is your headlight. Follow down, this is your throttle, and 2 additional sensors for your brakes. Next one is your tail light.